Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to hide who liked your photo on Instagram, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more helpful tips like this. Step 1. First, open your Instagram app. Then, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 2. Once you're on your profile, tap on the photo you want to hide the likes for. Step 3. After that, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the photo. Step 4, in the menu that appears, tap on Hide Like Count. Step 5, and if you want to unhide the likes later, just tap the 3 dots again and select Unhide Like Count. Step 6, now let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home icon. Step 7, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of your screen to open the settings menu. Step 8, scroll down and tap on Like and Share Count. Step 9, here you can toggle on the option to hide like and share counts to apply this setting to all your posts. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.